If YouTube TV keeps buffering or loading slowly, don't worry. Most buffering problems can be fixed in just a few steps. Here's how to get smooth, uninterrupted streaming again. Step 1. Check your internet speed. YouTube TV recommends at least 3 megabits per second for SD, 7 to 13 megabits per second for HD, 25 megabits per second for 4K. Run a speed test or try another app to confirm your connection. Step 2. Restart your modem and router. Unplug your router and modem for 10 seconds, then plug them back in. This clears network congestion and improves stability. Step 3. Restart the app and device. Close the YouTube TV app and reopen it. If the issue continues, restart your phone, smart TV, or streaming device. Step 4. Lower video quality. During playback, open Settings, then go to Video Quality and choose Medium or Low. Slow connections often cause buffering in high resolution. Step 5. Update the YouTube TV app. Outdated apps can lag. Go to your device's App Store and install the latest version. Step 6. Clear cache, mobile and TV. Clear app cache to remove corrupted temporary files that cause buffering. Step 7. Move closer to the router. Weak Wi-Fi signals lead to constant buffering. Get closer or use Ethernet. After these steps, YouTube TV should stream smoothly without interruptions.